Today we have a sliding door here that's getting a little bit stuck. It can be difficult to open and not sliding freely. We're going to take it off, have a look at the rolls underneath, just to see what the condition they're in, and most likely have to replace them so it rolls freely again.
The sliding door has non-adjustable wheels. It's still in okay condition, but you can't really adjust them up, and you can see here where the track is rubbing on the timber, and that's what's causing the door to stick and not close properly. What we'll do is we will replace these non-adjustable wheels with wheels that we can adjust. We need to use the router to cut a piece out of the end so that they can be inset into the door. Carriage. From the side there, it doesn't stick up much. We'll adjust it with this screw at the top. You should start to see the wheel adjust there. So now we can adjust the height of the door and the angle at which it closes on the jamb.
That's all done. We've got a door that locks and slides perfectly. Now what's left is to clean up and show the client.